Did I send that to the right person? I always do this. Editor. Okay, cool. Okay. We're safe. Back to Coding and Keto. My name is Steve, and this is day 4 of my 60-day documentary coding challenge. Today, I just kind of wanted to go over some things that have been going on the past couple days. One, I'm trying to get a logo made, so this is the person that I'm looking at right now. But anyway, I decided to start this whole like documentary thing in the 2-week time period of my sister and her family coming down one weekend, and then my friend coming into town from California for 2 weeks, and I haven't seen him since like 2017. And then my brother and his wife came down to visit last weekend. So it's been a full couple weeks, and I haven't had very much time to actually sit down and code, which makes me really sad. But I've been working a little bit today, and we'll be doing some more, for tonight. So something else I wanted to talk to you all about as far as getting organized and stuff, Google has my calendar option. And so if you already have a Google account, you can just sync your calendar up to your phone. If you have a Google phone, I guess. Anyway, I'm sure you could get the app otherwise. Anyway, so I've just been like putting in my schedule, like here are the hours in these gray boxes that I'll be working. These light blue boxes are one of my classes. And then you see daily recording. That's a local a local shop here. Gonna go try and support them. And then down here in the afternoons, I have C25K because I'm learning to run a 5K. So this has been extremely helpful. I build it on the computer, and it syncs it up with my phone, and then my phone alerts me, hey, now's the time you're supposed to make a video. So going forward, gonna try that, see if that works. So something else I want to show you guys that I think is pretty cool. I wrote an email to my professors to see if I could use like snippets of their coursework and show it to you guys so you can see what I'm actually like learning and working on in class. So they wrote me back and said, yeah, go for it. But they were also like, maybe you should check marketing. And I was like, okay, good idea. So I'm writing an email to the marketing department right now just to make sure I can actually use all of like the university's name and like mention them and all that kind of stuff. I guess you'll know what I find out if you see my university name blurred out here. But anyway, this is what I'm doing right now. I'm just writing an email to them. So I'm just saying, my name is Steve Messmer. I am a cybersecurity student at university. I am, let's say, currently a cybersecurity student at university. And I was okay, so let me send that to the marketing department, and we'll see. Did I send that to the right person? I always do this. Editor. Okay, cool. Okay. We're safe. Really sad. I lost my other water bottle. It's like twice the size of this and is huge. I go through a lot of water every day, so it's really nice to have, and I can't find it. I've been like all over the house. Okay, so gonna see if we can actually use the name of the university, but my professors said that I can already show you the coursework. So here's the syllabus. Obviously, I'm gonna blur out the names. I just wanted to show you guys the course content. So here we go. Topics, course content, object-oriented programming, continued inheritance, polymorphism, abstract classes and interfaces, exception handling and text IO, graphical user interfaces, generics, list stacks, queues, and priority queues. Okay. Secure coding, and then exams. So that's pretty much what I'm going through for this semester. This is one of my classes. It's CS 265. I believe it's like computer science 2. We're going to be working in Java again. I already took the Java class, so it should be good. So whatever videos are coming out next will probably be in Java. Well, I think that's about it. Another short video today from me. Sorry about that. Oh, before I wrap up the video, I wanted to go over something with you all specifically in this video because it's happening right now in my life. So I am confronted with already being accepted into college for this semester, for the fall semester, and getting financial aid and going to be getting, you know, a return back. Also, I have a meeting today in 15 minutes with a coding bootcamp person, and I've had 3 other meetings with 3 other code camps earlier this morning. So I don't know which one I'm supposed to do. On the one hand, I want to take these college courses so I can get them under my belt, and getting the financial aid would be very beneficial for me right now without going too much into it. So I want to do that and then start my code camp like in 3 or 4 months or start of next year, and then get through that, put a portfolio together, get a job, and hopefully my new employer will pay for my college. So that's what I'm hoping for. Good Lord, I'm bright. Wow. Man. I just looked over and saw my face and whoa, it's bright. Dang. Oh, now everything looks awful. Oh Jesus. Okay, whatever. So yeah, that's my dilemma. I don't know what to do. And I have this week to figure it out. So because I have to tell my college whether or not I'm staying in the classes before the end of this week. Otherwise, if I cancel next week, I won't get all my money back. It will go on my permanent record, and those classes will be incomplete. But if I cancel it this week, then it'll be like I never signed up for the classes at all, and I'll, get a full refund and all that. So I have to decide before Friday. Or Friday the 27th. Okay, well, so that's the thing. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Maybe someone out there can help me who's been through this. Tell me what you think. Write me in the comments and give me your opinion. I would super, super appreciate it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. I will do everything that I can to get back to coding, actual HTML and CSS tomorrow in the next video. And hopefully get back to it tonight even. But anyway, so thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you enjoy what I'm doing here, please hit the like and subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I put out my next daily video. Thank you all once again, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Peace.